Welcome to Karina Rabin's Facebook group where I'm going to help you, coach you, support you, share recipes, food lists, keep you accountable, and anything in between. I'm Karina Rabin, a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. I'm 44 years old. I'm a boy mom, 2 boys under 9. I'm happily married to my blind date. I have kidney disease, celiac disease, psoriasis. Most recently, my mammogram came back that I have dense breast tissue. Now I need to do more tests. So the one thing I do know is how to create a healthier lifestyle for my health. One thing I'm very good at is food, working out, and trying to push you to create a healthier lifestyle so that way you stop quitting on the next program and try something else. I lost my blood relatives by the age of 34. I have an older sister who I'm not close to, so I definitely understand when sad or stressful things happen in your life and you may want to take a break. It's okay to take a break. It's okay to take a day off. It's okay to take 2 days off, but it's not okay to stop. This is why people join a gym January 1st and then they quit by January 30th when something happens and they're stressful, frustrated, and they stop. So one thing I want to push into your mind is not to stop. When working with me, keep in mind I'm only one person and there's 4,000 of you at the moment. So I can't physically see you. I am not standing next to you. I am not in your kitchen. I can't force feed you. I can't drag you out of bed. I can't push you to go work out. I can't push you to hit play. My workouts are on YouTube. There's a beginner workout under a playlist called Fit AF Mom. There's workouts on my Instagram account, Karina Rabin Fitness. I go live every single morning on TikTok at 8 a.m. Eastern. That time may change when the kids go back to school, but you can work out anytime on your time on YouTube. You can pause me, mute me, stop me. You can come to the class late. You can come to the class on a different day. It doesn't matter. This is your workout. Do not try and keep up with me. Keep up with yourself, okay? I can't see you, so you have to make sure you take action on yourself. You do you, I do me, and we do it together. Some of you might be frustrated that the plan is not working. That's because your mom, dad, kindergarten teacher, first grade teacher, high school, college, no one taught you how to eat, okay? No one taught you how to use the equipment at the gym. No one taught you how to do a healthy lifestyle, okay? We all grew up differently. We all have different struggles. We all have stress. We all get frustrated. But we don't stop brushing our teeth. We don't stop washing our hair. We don't stop parenting our children. And that is the most frustrating. So when you get frustrated, just keep in mind, everything is frustrating. It's frustrating to get fit. It's frustrating not to get fit. It's frustrating to cook healthy. It's frustrating to go out and not eat healthy food because that's gonna gain weight, okay? This is where you have to spend some time learning because of what you think right now is not working. Your scale and clothes that don't fit do not lie to you. Check the files in the group, in the Facebook group. I try and update them as often as I can, okay? There's food lists, there's recipes, easy workouts. I also offer a meal plan on my website. That's $5. I constantly create new programs to keep you motivated to try something new. Everyone has to try something new all the time to see what works for you, what you like, what will keep you motivated to keep going. If you get bored, then you have to change up your recipes, change up your foods, and keep going. Whatever you do, just do not stop. The way to get fit is to do the same thing every single day to see results. If you're not going to eat healthy, you're gonna eat unhealthy, you're gonna see the same result over and over. You have to make this life consistent. You wash your hair consistently, you brush your teeth consistently, you have to work out consistently. My workouts, like I said, are on YouTube. Hit play anytime. I post stories on Instagram so you can see what I do every single day. I do not edit anything. I am aggressive. I am straightforward. I don't BS. I might offend some of you because I just tell you how it is. And the truth hurts, okay? I grew up feeding myself every time I didn't do well in school or I was scared my parents were gonna beat me. So some of you may have grew up skinny and now you're not. Some of you may have grown up overweight and then you lost weight, then you gained it back. We all have different walks of life, and what works for you may not work for me. What works for me may not work for you. But what does work is if we do this together, stay consistent, and don't stop. I hope that answers most of your questions. I'm gonna tell you this again. Mind, nutrition, workout, and repeat. You'll see me, I sleep in a shaper that I call a sleepwear waist trainer. So with my coaching, it starts with the shaper because it makes you feel good. And when you feel good, you want to eat good and you want to work out. My style of coaching is the 4 pillars. It starts at the bottom with the shaper. You put on the shaper, you feel good, your mind is now happy, then you start to follow the nutrition plan and work out. So I start you from the bottom because we all feel our worst when we're at rock bottom, and then I bring you to the top, and I do that with my shapewear that I use as a waist trainer, okay? If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below, and I look forward to your progress. Just do not stop.